Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here, and we are cleaning 30,000 square feet today. And we're doing our Chewy locations. As you can see, we are here at Chewy, and we're in the first room here. This first training room, and then we have a large office area to do. We can do this quarterly, every 3 months. So you see the mats, we'll get the mats here. You can see he's working on the room, got the chairs up. You can see the carpets look great. All right, we got a stain here. We'll get that up. Just a few stains, but okay. All right, so we got a few stains here. We got some we're going to go ahead and tackle. And like I said, we service this every 3 months. So that's why these carpets look the way they do. All right, we keep them presentable, they're great. They're vibrant, we brighten them up with our solution. All right, and we're doing Encap cleaning. What this does is it emulsifies the dirt, which means turns it into a liquid. And then there's a pad on there, a microfiber pad with scrub strips, which agitates it. Very important key for the carpet. And then it encaps the solution into the pad. So all the wet dirt gets absorbed into the pad. This is the best type of solution for this type of carpet. Reason being is these are carpet tiles. There's no padding or anything underneath there. So if you put moisture into there, the moisture is just going to sit underneath there, create mold and mildew, and then the tiles of the carpet will also rise up off the floor as well. So that's what we're avoiding by doing this kind of cleaning method. And stay tuned. All right, so we have our sprayer here. And like I said, we just put down the solution. You see there's a stain there. We're going to tackle that. And that's just from where the pad was at, so it's just wet. We're just going to do a small area here. Sections. You don't want this solution to dry. Let's get behind us real good here. All right, so we're going to go for this stain right here, just to show you an idea how the solution works. Machine with the pad on. A little stain on the corner. Yeah, completely gone. We're doing this to the whole entire floor here, all over the floor. Stop our spray. You can see the tiles are a little more vibrant as compared to the others. All right, we are all finished here with the training rooms. And as you can see, they came out great. There was a stain right here. We got rid of that. It's just quickly. We got rid of that stain. And these carpets are now going to take 30 to 40 minutes to dry, which is a great process. That way you can get back to work and go ahead and continue your day. All right, stay tuned. All right, here we are in the office area. We have the conference room as well. You can see these carpets look good, because we're here every 3 months. Stain in there, we'll get that out. A few stains when you walk in. This is a hard or heavy traffic area. Stain there. And we have some dogs, so we're treating for dander as well. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna get all these doors opened up. All right, now we're in the maintenance area. As you see, this gets a lot of wear and tear. The guys are using grease and things. All right, I'm gonna move these chairs out the way, and we're gonna put down our solution and get going. All right, another process, we spray our solution down to emulsify the dirt. Just uncapping. All right, this is the maintenance room, and it turned out great. Remember when we first came, there were spots all over here. We got all of those up. And then this is going to take 30 minutes to dry, 30 to 40 minutes. There were stains over here. We got all those up. And the reason why a lot of these stains come up every time is because we're here every 3 months maintaining these floors. All right, stay tuned. Here we are finishing. We're in the recruiting room. We finished there, doing the mats here in the main area. And you see they're coming out great. We got these two. Excuse me. And we're loading up the van now. All right, here we are at our second location here. This one's in Mechanicsburg, and as you can see, we have some stains in the maintenance office. We're hitting the maintenance first. Another guy's upstairs doing the main office. As you can see, we have plenty of stains that we're going to tackle in here. All right, got all these here. Let's go ahead and get this done. All right, you know the process. We're going to be spraying down our solution, emulsifying the dirt, turning it into a liquid. And then you want to use the Encap and the pad to encapsulate it inside the pad. All right, stay tuned. All right, here we are. We made it to the second floor of the other office. So we have all these other offices here on the side. It kind of mirrors the other office that we were just at in Lewisberry. We have a conference room. Same thing, we maintain these carpets every 3 months. That's why they look really good. A few stains here we're gonna get up. Stain there. Normally a lot of stains in the kitchenette area. Some stains there. So I'm just doing a nice inspection, seeing what we're getting into. Looks like our team has already gotten started over at the other way. And we'll be out of here in about 2 hours. Stay tuned. All right, here we have a pet stain. So we are going to treat this area. The solution. All right, you can see it's starting to disappear already. And we'll go with our pad. And it's going to let it dry in 30 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. All right, that's the furthest we sprayed, and you can see we're still in the office area. All right, last but not least, we're in the recruiting room. We're actually all finished here, and the carpets are going to take 30 to 40 minutes to dry. They turned out great. Just had these 3 areas to do. The other offices are already done. All right, stay tuned.